Hi everyone, this is Victoria Fashion and welcome back to my channel. The last time I did a Deathhawk tutorial with big hair was actually some time ago. If you want to see that video, I actually have one version in English and the other one in Spanish. I'll put the link on the description box below. However, my hair has grown. There's actually very different ways to style your hair, especially big hair from the 80s. I have a there's they're coming. The tutorials are coming, so I'm so excited to make this series. I actually thought of it as I'm recording this video, but lately the way I have been teasing my hair is actually similar to when I had my side shaved. This is recently how I've been doing it. Yeah, so enough about me ranting about my hair tease and rat combing it. Let the tutorial begin! I am parting my hair in the direction where I want it to go. As you can see, I didn't do it in the middle, I did it on the side, and I'm just starting to part my hair into sections. So I usually tend to grab a section from the back and start rat combing it. Applying hairspray onto the sections where I'm about to start teasing my hair, and then and I just grab the comb and move it towards my roots. Also, if you notice if my hair is somewhat choppy, I have it like that on purpose. It is because your hair actually looks a lot bigger when you have layers, especially top layers. Now I'm starting on the other side and working my way up. Again, apply that hairspray before you start rat combing it. Work your way up towards the ends, and then once it becomes a knot, continue to make this method of applying hairspray and just working your way up, and it's your hair is going to look like you just created a big knot. Here's some tea time. So as you can tell already that my hair doesn't look oily as much, and I am grabbing this last section here, and I'm actually going to put this section behind my ear to how I had it when I used to have my side shaved. The last section I'm going to work on is the very front of it, that very large chunk, because that's probably the most important part, the way you want your hair to look and the direction you want it to appear on your head. Personally, my favorite hairstyles in regards to big hair is usually the one that looks like it's a willow tree. So I try to do my best to emulate a my hair to look very similar to that silhouette of a willow tree. As you can tell on my side, I did my hair looks a lot shorter, and that is for so now I am going to add tracks onto my hair. Fun little fact about me, I use a lot of hair extensions. I have been using hair extensions since I was for 10 over 10 years now. These tracks, however, are starting to diminish. They're probably buy some new ones pretty soon. I start teasing the ones that start getting a lot older and they don't look as long anymore. Also, there's my dog in the background, so don't mind her. She's just sleeping. There you go. There's the tutorial. And bam!